Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling screen time because Safari's website restrictions live there. Open System Settings, select Screen Time, and turn it on. This creates the control layer that blocks sites. Once done, choose whether this is your Mac or a child's device so rules apply correctly. Make sure you set a screen time passcode right away. Without it, anyone can undo these settings. You're now ready to target specific websites in the content controls. Next, you'll narrow Safari's access by configuring web restrictions. Open Content and Privacy inside Screen Time and turn that feature on. Then go to Web Content and pick Limit Adult Websites for automatic filtering or Allowed Websites only if you want a whitelist. Once chosen, scroll to the Never Allow area and add each site's full URL. This forces Safari to block those addresses. You do this here so restrictions apply system-wide. To finish, test the block by opening Safari and visiting a site you added. Safari should show a restriction message. If it works, lock screen time with your passcode and avoid sharing that code. Make sure iCloud Screen Time Sync won't override family rules unless intended. If a site isn't blocked, clear Safari's cache and history, restart the Mac, and confirm there are no configuration profiles or parental controls from MDM interfering. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.